My name is Jack Hanney, and welcome to this week's edition of The Insider. The rotation out of tech is gaining steam. The NASDAQ was down over 500 points pre-market. Dow was down over 700 points. As I mentioned on last week's Insider, I am starting to sound like a broken record regarding the sell-off in tech and the Mag 7 stocks. The Mag 7 stocks comprised nearly 30% of the S&P's total value at the start of 2026. Now, with the war in Iran, many are concerned that we've entered another never-ending war in the Middle East. There is the geopolitical conflict down in Mexico with the cartels as well last week, and retail investors are flocking to safe haven assets like physical gold and silver. Economists say gold and silver will perform like 2025, but 2026 will be like 2025 on steroids. Gold was over $5,400 an ounce. Silver was back on its way to $100 an ounce. They raised the margin requirements on trading silver, but that didn't slow it down, and silver was as high as $93 an ounce to start the week, again with gold over $5,400 an ounce. We now have UBS and JP Morgan forecasting $6,300 an ounce gold in 2026. JP Morgan also said that gold only comprises 3% of retail investors' portfolios, and if that number were to increase to 4.6%, which is not much, we could see $8,500 an ounce gold. If you look at the NASDAQ and you look at tech stocks like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, there was this sell-off regarding the AI scare. The AI was going to kill the software as a subscription stocks like Salesforce and Microsoft. Now, the concern is the geopolitical conflict in Iran. The stock market is precariously close to collapsing, and retail investors are rotating out of tech and out of stocks and into physical gold and silver. With gold at $5,000 an ounce right now and silver just a little above 80, the single best buying opportunity we have seen in 2026 ahead of rate cuts. Keep in mind, rate cuts are on their way. They may not be at this March meeting, but they are on their way in 2026. I am not a certified financial investment advisor, nor do I give tax advice. You can visit us at www.patriotgoldgroup.com or call 1-888-488-5190. Again, that's www.patriotgoldgroup.com or call 1-888-488-5190.